they're called booby traps, Simon.
Typical.
Shut up! They're called booby traps because they get trodden on by tits. Like you.
The BBC has interrupted all programming to deliver this emergency alert. Please stand by. The Met Office has issued a tornado warning for the following areas listed on screen. If you are within these areas, seek shelter in a sturdy room or cellar. Stay away from outside walls and windows and do not go outside. If in a car, find shelter now in a sturdy building. This warning is expected to last until 6 p.m. today. Please follow these instructions to ensure your safety. This is an emergency alert notification. Please stand by. This is a tornado emergency for the entire northern region of the UK. Areas impacted include North England and the country of Scotland. Until 6 p.m. British Summer Time. Unsurvivable tornado. Must be underground to survive. Hazard. Unsurvivable tornado. Impacts include houses and businesses destroyed. Stronger buildings turned to rubble. Emergency 999 services will be down. Seek shelter immediately. Flying debris can be lethal.
Tornado emergency for the country of Scotland. This is an emergency action notification issued by His Majesty's Government and His Majesty's Revenues and Customs. At 3:45 p.m. British Summer Time, a large and violent tornado has ripped through the majority of England and is moving north into the country of Scotland. Areas impacted include the entire country of Scotland. To ensure your safety, you must be underground to survive this tornado. If you are above ground or outside, seek underground shelter immediately. The risk to life during this severe weather event has changed from extreme to certain. Take shelter now. You will die if you are outside or above ground. Stay indoors. Stay underground. Repeating. Tornado emergency for the country of Scotland.
Where it began, I can't begin to knowing, but then I know it's growing strong. Wasn't the spring, and spring became the summer. Who'd have believed?
Evacuate. Evacuate. His Majesty's government, and His Majesty's revenues and customs have issued an immediate evacuation order for the country of Scotland. If you are within the country of Scotland, you must evacuate the country now. The super tornado has grown to a staggering 3.5 mile wide and has completely engulfed parts of Glasgow and Edinburgh. Scottish seaside towns have been turned into naval evacuation points, and train services cancelled to assist with evacuations. Areas impacted include Edinburgh, Glasgow, Aberdeen, Dundee, Lockerbie, Loch Lomond and the Trossachs National Park, Queen Elizabeth Forest Park, the Scottish Highlands, Inverness. If you are not within these areas, stay underground in your shelter until the all clear is given. Repeating. His Majesty's government and His Majesty's revenues and customs have issued an immediate evacuation order.
Arms off my shoulders, how can I hurt when holding you? Warm, touching warm.